Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at the area and perimeter of a circle. So without any further ado, let's get this video started. So before we dive into any questions, we're going to look at some formulas. So the area of a circle. Now area means the amount of surface which is covered by an object. So how much surface is being covered by this circle. So our formula is area is equal to pi times the radius squared. Now perimeter is different. Perimeter is how long would it take if we were to start at one point and go all the way around the circle and meet the same point again. So the formula for perimeter is 2 times pi times the radius, or pi times the diameter. Now that we've looked at the formulas, let's look at a question. So we all agree that the area is the amount of surface a shape covers. So question 1. We have a circle with radius of 11 centimeters, and the first thing we're going to do is write down our formula for area. So our area is equal to pi times the radius squared. Now we're going to substitute the radius in for the 11 centimeters, so area is equal to pi times 11 squared. So that gives us a final answer of 121 pi, and we need to remember the units, which are centimeters squared. Now that we've worked out the area, we're going to find the perimeter of the circle. So the first thing we're going to do is write down our formula. So once you have wrote down the formula, we're going to substitute our numbers in. So 2 pi times by the 11 centimeters. So our perimeter is equal to 22 pi centimeters. Now that we worked out the area and the perimeter of a full circle, let's see what this would look like if we had a semicircle. So here we have a semicircle with the radius of 5 inches. So let's see how we would work out the area and the perimeter. The first thing we're going to do to work out the area is write the formula down. Area is equal to pi times radius squared. So the formula remains the same, however there is an extra step at the end. So area is equal to pi times 5 squared, which gives us 25 pi. However, in order to find the area of half the circle, we have to half our answer. So area is equal to 25 pi divided by 2, which will give us 12.5 pi inches squared. In order to work out the perimeter, we're going to use the same formula. So 2 times pi times the radius, and we're going to substitute our numbers in. So 2 times pi times the radius, which is 5 inches, will give us 10 pi. Now we need to half this in order to get half of the semicircle, i.e. the outside of the rim. However, we need to add on the diameter in order to find the full perimeter. So we have to add on 10. So 5 pi plus 10. If we take pi as 3.14, it will give us an answer of 25.7 inches. So that is our final answer. Now let's move on to another question. Here we have a circle with radius of 4 centimeter, and we have to find out the area and the perimeter. Let's start off with the area. So the first thing we do is write the formula down. Area is equal to pi times radius squared, and we substitute our number in. So we get area is equal to pi times 4 squared, which gives us an answer of 16 pi centimeters squared. Now to work out the perimeter, we will write the formula down. 2 times pi times the radius. 2 times pi times 4 will give us an answer of 8 pi, and we need to remember our units, so centimeters at the end. Now let's move on to our final question. So we are given another circle with radius 16 millimeter, and the first thing we're going to do, as always, is write the formula down. Pi times radius squared. We substitute the number in, so pi times 16 squared will give us a final answer of 256 pi millimeters squared. Now in order to work out the perimeter, we're going to use the same formula as before. 2 times pi times the radius. 2 times pi times 16 will give us an answer of 32 pi millimeters. Thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then please give it a like, share it with all your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more videos.